If people says your dreams are crazy, if they laugh on what you think you can do, good. Stay that way. Don't believe you have to be like anybody to be somebody. Believe in something even if it means sacrificing some things. When they talk about the best player on the present places, it should be you. Don't ask yourself if your dreams are crazy. Ask if you are crazy for it. Here is one of my recent stories related to football. 2 years back, I was asked by a friend to play a random football match in a ground with his friends. I was a little bit afraid of their rough gameplay cause they were older than me and I used to look younger than my age. So I thought to go there cause it's football, so I can't stay at home. It's something that makes me feel happy, right? The next morning I woke up, wear my Barcelona jersey named Messi at the back with number 10. When I reached there, I noticed the boys were talking and laughing and they said me that I was selected at the second last. Like that one boy who was deciding the team said that, okay, give this boy in my team. I was like a little bit disappointed. I wasn't treated like this before, especially in the field of football. There was a rule that it will be considered a goal if it's below the waist. I was like, what the heck? Like, I've played like this before, but not often. As soon as the match starts, just after 5-6 minutes, I shoot from a long distance, and in the meanwhile, I heard someone saying, "Hey kid, are you stupid?" Just after the goal, I was looking at the person, said I can't play or I'll get injured. Then that match ended up with 5-0, I guess, and 4 goals were of mine. One of the boys said that I'm scoring easily just by getting assisted and touching the ball towards the net. After that, it was the time for the next match and I was selected at the first place. That day I come back home scoring 6 goals in 2 matches. They can't remember my name even after I told them. So the very next day I reached there wearing the jersey of Argentina named Messi again. The boys started calling me Messi. And it was a different feeling, like, if you know, you know. After 2 months back, I was invited there again and they were like, Messi has grown up. I was smiling and this time results were the same by scoring 9 goals in 2 matches, and it was a different feeling. So even I can't get to a level in football I always dreamed for as a kid, it never let me stop from playing football. Cause you know, this makes me happy. It removes all my stress whenever I step on the pitch. So I never stopped playing football.